What's going on, guys? It's your boy JB, and welcome to week number 3 of the Amazon FBA 10K per month profit challenge. And today, guys, I did receive my product from Kevin David, well, at least his team anyway. And that's the product that I'll be actually rolling out here for the rest of this challenge. And of course, I'm not going to reveal what it is until later, but I did get some specs on the actual product that they selected for me, and this is the data they provided. And it looks really good and promising. I can't wait to actually get my hands on the actual sample itself and test it out and see what I can improve upon on the product, so I can help drive more sales. But yeah, on the screen, as you can see, we're operating at a net margin of 59.49%. Of course, that is without the shipping. We don't know what that shipping cost looks like. That will be next week, and we'll be going over how to find freight forwarders as well too. But as you can see on the metrics, the fulfillment cost is at $284 because this thing is relatively big, but it folds down, but it's relatively big. But hence the reason why it's at $284. But nevertheless, I think it's gonna be a cool, viable product. Amazon fees at $450. We can sell it at $29.99. I might increase that just a little bit more. Who knows? Have not decided yet, but again, the product cost is at $459, and the keyword search volume is at 21,735. So plenty of volume headed for this product. And then you have a smart score of 78, which smart score, that's just the score that Kevin David has implemented inside of his zone-based research platform, which we'll go here. We'll get into that here in a minute. But yeah, so pretty good profit margin. Again, I expect that 59.49% net margin to drop about 7 to 10%. So 50%, hey, I'm still winning. I'm okay with that. So yeah, very just interested to see how much the shipping will cost on this product. And I might add a few things to it. I might even actually add a 2-pack to this, because looking at the other ones, my competition, they don't have that. So that might be a huge opportunity for me to just dive in and just help increase my sales that way. But I'll let you guys know later on in the challenge. But as of right now, that's where we're sitting at, and I'm very happy with what they selected. And again, guys, I got 2 products. As I told you guys before, they give me 2 products, and I just picked one of them out of the 2. The other one was trash, in my opinion, and it was way too heavy for me to do. But this one, I think it's got potential. I think it's gonna win. So let's go to Zonebase real quick, and I'm gonna pick out a product for you guys, so you guys can choose one if you want. Let's see. Let's go ahead and go to Zonebase real quick. So I'm gonna see if I can find a hot product using Zonebase, and you guys can run with it if you want. I really don't care. Again, I already have my product picked out, so it doesn't even matter to me. So what we'll do is search on keyword, not product. Reason being is because if you search by product, let's say that it's pet supplies, right? So what could happen is, so for this dog crate, yeah, this product looks like it could win, right? But then when you actually research dog crate, the competition is just insane and ridiculous, and you can't advance on the pages. Like, you can't get the number 1, so it's gonna hurt you. So I heard that a lot based on the actual course itself. It seems like that's like the number 1 reason why people don't actually succeed on Amazon, is because they find a cool product, but they don't research the keyword. They only research the product itself. So that's the reason why I'm always gonna be using the keyword tool for that reason. So let's just pick sports and outdoors. Average price $13. Average reviews 101. Monthly revenue 9,000. Minimum, and then with a max of 40,000. Search. So what I want to do is find keywords with a high search volume. So I'm gonna click this, click it again. All right, cool. So now I'm looking at these numbers on the right side, and I'm always thinking too, what's going to be the lightest out of all these. So let's see. Crop tank top. Looks like there's way too much competition, so we're not going to be doing this one. Well, rock climbing holds. Alright, so this one has a lot of potential. A lot of these are about the same. Nothing really too different about these things, so let's see. I actually like this. Reviews are typically low, like 41, 13, 84, 161, 92, 122, 4, 125, 28. This has a lot of potential, okay? So what we'll do is run the Zombase keyword extension. Boom, there we go. So this one's launching, instant straight line. Let's see. So out of the top 20, let's see if we can get 9 or 10 that actually have more than 9,000. That has a monthly revenue of 9,000 or more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's not bad. 9. So out of the top 20, 8 of them have a monthly revenue of 9,000 or more, which is pretty good. Reviews are relatively low. 32, 90, 35, 35. So this looks very promising. So let's see if there's like about 8 or 9 that have 100 reviews or less out of the top 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9. So this is definitely one that has a lot of potential to actually run with. And yeah, as you can see, their sales 30,000. This one's sporadic. Click on that. So yeah, only got 100 reviews, but they're averaging about 21,000 per month. And if they're operating at a 50% profit margin, not too shabby. This thing's taking way too long. Exit out of this. But anyway, yeah, you guys can research more on this. So next steps would be reaching out to the manufacturer via Alibaba and check out to see if you can negotiate the price of this thing relatively low, and then see what else you can add along with this. Maybe it's like exclusive access to a video that shows you how to do different rock climbing setups using these holds, right? So yeah, very cool product. Never even heard of it before. I've seen them before, but never really thought to even research it before. So yeah, guys, take this product, research it, and if you think this thing has legs, I mean, just go for it. You know, you just never know. But this is definitely something that will be on my list to actually research and test the waters with and see if it sells. But that is all I have in this video, guys. Again, next week will be manufacturing. We'll be going over how to find the best manufacturer for your products and how to like go about finding a freight forwarder to take control of all the air or sea freight that I'll be needing for my product, shipping from China to the US. And I can't wait to go about doing that. And also different ways to actually brand your product by creating different names and things like that. There's a site called Squad Help that actually you can just go through that and it'll help you out, but we'll talk about that in the next video as well. But if you liked the video, give your boy the thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell while you're at it, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.